This is the default AMD. It's 100% aluminum. It's screw in, so you take out the bottom. I think it's made by Cooler Master. It looks like a Cooler Master feel to it, and I have a Cooler Master case, but this thing does not do a good job cooling the AMD. So yeah, I recommend you upgrade it. Just my review of my AMD 5600X to prove I have it. You'll see it. AMD Ryzen 5 5600X. A default cooler is pretty annoying and very loud, and my CPU is running pretty high. So I'm running at 100%. I'll prove it to you. 100%. 100% with default cooler, which is just an aluminum block and a very cheap fan. I don't recommend it. It's pretty annoying. Sounds like humming. Let me disable my sound suppressor so I can hear it. Sounds like that. Hopefully it picks up. Sounds like a car engine. Our noise suppressor back on. Alright. So my idle is the fan is wrapping up pretty high. So I had to repaste it a couple of times. So it's idling at 64. Max temperature 95. I don't like those temperatures. So we can do a screen capture. My RAM is great. My RAM is really fast and cool. G-Skill is awesome. It's good stuff. My SSD is cool. My GPU is really cool idle. 46C. So I could downclock this. I'll show you how. Not with this stuff. So it's pretty fast. So let's go Cinebench. Cinebench. We can run it. It's gonna get a little slow because I'm recording too. Let's run it. So the last score with the down clock is 3317. Let's see if it beats it. Man, this thing's loud as hell. And I'm also recording screen capturing, so it takes a little bit of CPU from that. But hopefully I can get like 4K. Yeah, I highly recommend this computer. It's blazing fast. Look at this guy go. Look at go. Jesus, fast. So fast. My fan's going hammer. It's almost done. Probably less than a minute. So my only complaint about the processor is the default heatsink, but aside that, it's pretty quick. Come on, shatter the 3317. That's at 95%. Shatter it, shatter it, shatter it, shatter it. Not bad. It got 3757. Not bad. So yeah, it's pretty good. Not 4000. Maybe I turn all these screen capture and try another one. So I have two separate readings. I have a HW mark to read, and I have the Ryzen Master. I'm not sure which one's more accurate. I'm assuming Ryzen Master is more accurate, but it's off by like 4 Celsius. This is temperature node. Where's my CPU temperature? Right here, 58, 53. So I don't know who to trust. So that's my Ryzen 7. 84. I don't know who to trust. Volts are higher, so I'm just gonna setting at 54 right now. It's been really cold today or something. Alright, so this is how you downclock it. You get rid of the fan noise. You just go in here, power options, and then just drop it a little bit. So downclock that, lower the voltage. So underclocked it that way with CPU. So it's gonna sit like 9.5. So it's gonna be a much cooler. And then less fan noise. Saves electricity too, lower voltage. So it's like sipping 33 right now. And does it show my voltage on my graph GPU? No, it doesn't. It just shows my, well, it does 0.725. So very little. It's pretty good. So like 1.44 is 40 watt. Deepcool. It comes with a fan and you mount these brackets, like 4 screws on the bottom. So that's that. And the mounting brackets are in here, all wiggling. Let's see it. It's all in here, like different mounting brackets. So yeah, I'm gonna check the temperature on this guy. Sorry, this is a really short video, but I really needed this because my fan's really annoying. So after installing my new heatsink, and I did a really bad job, I was struggling with it. Like, I think I almost cut myself with it. It's easier to install the heatsink outside of the case. Inside the case is a bit tougher because it has those little 2 clips. And yeah, clip everything, and yeah, you have to be really accurate. It was like a 15-minute struggle. You know, I'm watching on that. But now it's at 31 with my settings. Not 100%, so I put it at 100. It'll be really cool. So this heatsink is really pretty good for like 20 bucks. Way better than the original AMD heatsink. And it's way more silent. So, yeah.